Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change or edit your review on Etsy website on an order that you already bought. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow the tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged in into your account, you'll find yourself with this page and do the welcome back sentence with your name or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option instead of all those icons. Of course, if you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create an account if you don't have one. You'll be able to do even those options with an Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. Of course, it will be much faster. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this page and with the welcome back sentence, as I said. So as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to change your review on your item. So if you want to do that, all you need to do, just go to your account by clicking at your icon here at the top right corner, then click at purchases and reviews. So here you will certainly find the orders that you already have. So of course you would like to find the order that you want to edit the review on. Just find it, and of course you would like to select edit review. Once you click on it, you'll be able to change the star rating that you already added, and of course you can even change the text as needed. So once you finish, you can even add a photo if you want, or you can just select post your review. Once you click on it, you will find your review. Let's say as an example, you bought this item and you reviewed on it. You will find your review here alongside with those reviews, and you will be actually good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.